In this video, I'll show you how to send USDT from Bybit exchanger to Bitget wallet. So first of all, after you open up now your mobile phone, go and open up now the Bitget wallet. After you open the Bitget wallet like this now, all you have to do now, tap on this receive button on the home page. So after you tap on the receive button, now go and search for USDT. So as you can see now, I search for USDT. As you can see now, the USDT is under Binance BNB network. So if you want to change the network, just tap on this option now to select your prepaid network. But for me, I'll go with this BNB network. So tap on this USDT and tap on this copy address. After you copy the address, now close the Bitget wallet and go back and open up now the Bybit app. So after you open the Bybit app like this now go to asset at bottom right side. After you come to asset, then scroll to down and tap on this withdraw button. So from this withdraw, now uncheck this one. So now go and search for USDT in this option. After you search for USDT, here is now select the first one. After you select the first one like this, now paste in the address you copy in this option. Then scroll to down and tap on this network and choose the BNB network. So now here is now BSC network. So then scroll to down, now specify the amount you want to withdraw. After you type in the amount you want to withdraw in this option, just tap on this withdraw button. From there, the USDT will be sent into your Bitget wallet. And that's it, guys.